In this video, you will learn how to make a straight-through network cable. The following materials and tool are needed. UTP Category 5E cable, RJ45 connectors, and crimping tool. There are two color coding standards used in preparing a network cable, the T568A standard and the T568B standard. The T568A standard has the following color coding: white-green, green, white-orange, blue, white-blue, orange, white-brown and brown. On the other hand, the T568B standard has the following color coding: white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown and brown. In preparing the straight-through network cable, both ends of the cable must be identical. If you use the T568A standard at one end of the cable, then you should also follow the same color coding at the other end. But if you want to use the T568B standard, then both ends must follow that proper color coding scheme prescribed by this standard. To start, place one end of the cable into the stripping hole of the crimping tool. Squeeze the handles of the crimping tool slightly to cut into the outer covering of the cable. Remove the outer covering from the inner strands of cable. Untwist each of the colored strands of the cable. Arrange and line up the colored strands from left to right in the correct order for a straight-through cable. Snip off the ends of the colored wires with a cutting edge of the crimping tool to make sure they are all uniform length. Insert the colored cables into the plastic RJ45 connector. Place the RJ45 connector into the crimping hole on the crimping tool. Squeeze the crimping tool's handles all the way down to crimp the RJ45 connector onto the Cat5 cable.